guys. Airplane. It's been a minute. How are we? I'm doing great. You couldn't tell. Today is senior night and I'm already feeling the emotions. Today was my last day dressing up for a home game and I'm glad about that part. Very glad about that part because I don't like wearing dresses and skirts to school. So, but it's time to change into my home uniform for the last time. And I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. So, give me a second. Freak. Okay, I'm gonna do a transition. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Here we are. Number 14 in my home jersey for the very last time. This is gonna be rough. Okay, hold on. Yesterday's gone, we gotta keep moving on. I'm so thankful for the moment. So glad I got to know you. The times that we had, I'll keep like a photograph and hold you in my heart forever. I'll always remember you. Say Here we are. My last home game of the season. I got 2 shots on goal. I'm gonna miss my team so much. I wanted to show you the poster that they made for me. I'm looking in the mirror, by the way, so I can see what you guys can see. So now I'm going to get in the shower because I have paint all over my legs. And then I'm going to cry myself to sleep while reading this poster. So, this is me peacing out to my high school.